Hi everyone, this is Rick McDermott here with Senior Solutions Group, and thank you for clicking on the video. And if you haven't done so already, feel free to subscribe to our channel and also let your friends know so they could get this information as well. So a lot of people I talk to are totally confused about Medicare and what to do about Medicare, and a lot of people, what they have happened is they get a lot of information overload. So think of it this way: if you're working for an employer and you've been at that job for any number of years, they might give you one, maybe two or three options for health insurance. And it's like chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry ice cream. Pick one of those three flavors. And it's a lot easier to pick a plan when you only have a couple, three options to pick from. So if someone were to lose their job and have to sign up for Medicare, or if they're turning 65 and they're not used to picking out a completely different plan on their own with no assistance, it'd be kind of like going to like a Baskin Robbins 31 flavors ice cream shop. And let's say you've only tried vanilla ice cream or maybe chocolate and you don't know what any of the other flavors are, or maybe you've never even had ice cream. Can you imagine how overwhelmed you'd feel if you had to pick a plan and you had a deadline? So if you're in the ice cream shop and you've got a lineup of 10 people behind you tapping their foot, waiting for you to make your decision, that'd be kind of like having to pick the Medicare option that they only give you a couple, 3 months to pick your option. So if you're under a time crunch and you're getting information overload, it could be very easy to pick the wrong plan due to pressure, time pressures. And anyone who's on Medicare would get this book every year, every fall. This is the 2021 version of Medicare and You. A lot of good information, but at the back of this book, you'll see that there are pages and pages and pages and pages and pages. I can keep going, but for the sake of time, I'll stop. You could just see that there are so many plans to pick from. A lot of people, I've had a couple doctors come into my office this week, and they're totally confused. They don't know what to pick. I'm good at diagnosing problems, they say, or diagnosing illnesses, and we have prescriptions for that. Well, we're good at diagnosing Medicare issues for people, and we can give you a prescription to help you sort through all the clutter so you can make sense of it all. Maybe we can whittle it down from, in our county, we have 18 different Medicare Advantage plans, and it's going up to about 26 different Medicare Advantage plans next year. We can whittle that down to 2 or 3 plans based on your situation really quickly, based on a few questions we would ask you. Or we could say, you know what, maybe Medicare Advantage is not the best option for you. Maybe you don't want a network. Would you want to be able to pick any doctor and not have to worry about big co-pays. Well, maybe we should pay more for a Medicare supplement plan, which would give you that freedom. So whether it comes to Medicare Advantage or Medicare supplement options, prescription drug options, there's about 28 different drug plans, which are all by themselves as well. So you can see all these different choices can be very confusing. There was a study done about 2010 where a grocery store lined up 30 different types of jams, and they had them all lined out on a big table, and they were telling the customers you would get $1 off if you select any of these jams. They did the same study a week later, but they only gave 5 different jams. Which study do you think sold the most jam with $1 off? By 10 times, people bought the 5-option jam versus the 30-option jam. So it's a lot easier if we can narrow down your options, which we can do and we can help you with, to make sure you're making a good informed decision and not be overwhelmed. Plans change every year. This coming fall, this coming October, and another month from now, you're going to see so much information that's going to come your way, piles and piles of literature in the mail. Let us help you sort through the clutter so you can make sense of it all. We're not a call center. We're not going to harass you. We're just going to educate you and inform you so you can make the best decision for you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We are Senior Solutions Group, and we are here to help you. Thank you so much.